Hello, everybody. Welcome to Level 2 Mid Beginner English B CNG 9003, schedule number 25704. This is my home page, and let me show you how my home page looks. Here we have a beautiful landscape picture of Valencia College Poinciana campus, and also I posted a welcome message video. So in this case, students feel welcome and feel that I'm not just a person on the other side of the computer screen. I need to create that interaction between teacher and student. So after that, we have the course introduction. The course introduction includes a brief description of what the units will be covered and what the content of these units will be about. And finally, how to complete the course orientation. Students need to know that they need to learn, they need to go through all the information in the orientation module, read the syllabus, and then complete the orientation quiz just to make sure that they understood all the guidelines and they know what they are doing. After that, let me show you the announcements. The announcements are a very cool part of my module because I will post announcements every single week just for to remind students what they need to do, or the students, let's see, just welcoming them to the new activity or to the new unit or to the new lesson. So this is a good interaction device. Now let me show you the syllabus. The syllabus is here also at a very accessible place. So students can go through the syllabus, they find useful information, they find my contact information, course policies, also the grading evaluation policies that is very important for them, and finally course schedule and important dates. Okay. Next, let me show you the modules. Okay, this is the orientation module, but for now, we're going to focus in Unit 7 overview module. So here we have the Unit 7 overview. The Unit 7 overview includes a description, learning outcomes, how Unit 7 is related to the course outcomes, unit readings and videos, unit discussion, unit to-do list, and something very important that I included and I made sure that happens is that every activity has been linked to a specific page of the module. So in this case, students just by clicking the link, they can go straight to the activity they need to complete. Then let me show you another page, Unit 7. I included resources. You can see reading and video resources. Students go through the resources before every class or any time during the course just to get prepared for the next class or to review whatever they learned in previous classes. After that, this is an ESOL course and students need to talk. Students need to communicate in English, in their second language. So I have included a page with some expressions, some questions that they will let them speak in English about the course that they are learning in Unit 7 and in Unit 8 in this course. Also, every page and every activity has been checked in order to know if these comply with the accessibility requirements. So every page has been checked for accessibility issues and all the issues has been cleared up. Here you have discussion of assignment instructions and due date. This is a great opportunity for the students, to pose any questions related to the course content or to the use of technology. Let me know immediately and I'll reply back, within the first 6 or 12 hours. After that, we have a page that includes the content of this Unit 7, our daily activities, a page description, learning outcomes, and page instructions. So every assignment or every page in this module follows the same structure: description, learning outcomes to what the page or activity is related to or aligned with the learning outcomes, and the page instructions. Here you have, for example, I have posted 3 pages from the book on Canvas, and students, after reading instructions, they will know what to do. Unit 7, assignment matching daily activities. So here, for example, the students will be able to do this activity. They have description, outcomes, instructions, and a video tutorial, very important. Then we have the quiz. Okay, the quiz also is the same thing. We have the description, we have learning outcomes, we have quiz descriptions, and also we have video tutorial. Next, we have the discussion, and this kind of activity students love because the students are able to discuss and talk about different things. Of course, this is a guided discussion, and here they have the questions the students need to focus in the discussion. This is an asynchronous communication activity, and the same way as in the other activities, this activity includes description, learning outcomes, and instructions, and finally a video tutorial. Next, we have the video assessment. The video assessment, again, the same structure: description, learning outcomes, instructions, and video tutorial. And students here need to record a 1-minute video to demonstrate their oral English proficiency and describing their daily routines. And something very important, here we have the rubric. Students must know what they will be evaluating and what the teacher will be observing in their video performance. The rubric is a very important grading device. Next, the summary, that is a short paragraph telling about how the content Unit 7 is related to content Unit 8, and a brief summary of what the students did in Unit 7. And finally, the exit slip. The exit slip is very important. Students love it because this is a good opportunity for them to give me feedback about what they need to learn. And finally, I want to include also the grading. The grading, here we have, for example, the grading chart. Okay, of course, here is in blank, but pretty soon, all these blanks will be filled in by, the grades of the students. And also, I also use the speed grader, in which I can write additional comments to the ones that I write, in the rubrics to every student. I hope, guys, you enjoy my presentation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Bye-bye.